Exploring the phrase, try your hand, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, try your hand. It's a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's dive in. Try your hand is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to attempt to do something for the first time. Typically, this phrase is used when someone is experimenting with a new skill or activity. It's about giving something a go, even if you're not an expert at it yet. This phrase has an interesting origin. It comes from the idea of putting your hand to a task or activity. Over time, try your hand has become a metaphor for attempting or testing one's ability in a new area. It's commonly used in both formal and informal settings. Let's look at some examples to see how try your hand is used in sentences. I've never cooked Italian food before, but I'm going to try my hand at making pizza tonight. She decided to try her hand at painting, even though she had never held a brush before. They are going to try their hand at starting a small business. In each of these sentences, the phrase is used to express the attempt to do something new or unfamiliar. A common mistake learners make is using try your hand in the wrong context. Remember, this phrase is about attempting something new. It's not used for activities that you are already familiar with or have done many times. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of try your hand. Remember, learning a language is all about trying your hand at new phrases and expressions. Don't be afraid to experiment with what you've learned today in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.